Hey guys, so today is my hair trimming day. So here's an update. I'm not able to donate my hair at this time because I was planning to cut 8 inches off, right? But I was told that the length that I was willing to donate does not qualify for the length that they're willing to accept, because the shortest that they're willing to accept right now is about 12 to 14 inches long. So the hair that I'm going to donate will not qualify for the length that they want. And some of you were like actually concerned if, you know, I was just being forced to donate my hair, and that's not the case at all. I was just thinking that if I'm going to cut that much of my hair, might as well donate it instead of just throwing it in the trash, right? So I was thinking to do the same thing this year. But since my hair does not qualify, or the length that I'm going to donate does not qualify, I just told myself that I won't donate my hair anymore and instead just cut about 6 inches off, just because last time when I had a photo shoot, we were able to get some photos, but however, the photos that I got weren't enough at all, and we weren't able to take the shots that I want just because of the weather here and it was raining. So my brother and I were planning to do another photo shoot this summer because I want the sunset shots and all that. So I'm not able to cut 8 inches off my hair at all because I need the length of my hair. And I know to some of you, taking off 6 inches is not that big, but I mean for a trim, that's already big, okay? Because when you say trim, it's just 1 inch or like 2 inches. So yeah, I also have been trimming my hair because my ends doesn't look really nice. So in total, probably I trimmed about 2 inches off of my length, and I've been micro trimming. So that's that. I'm just letting you all know that I actually have pre-trimmed before this big trim. All right, so now let's do the big trim. Last year we cut about like 8 inches, right? Yeah. But then that's because you were very style about it. No, I'm not. Kaya ano yun?
Okay, you ready? Okay, I'm cutting now.
What? Kay mag-cut ka kung kiss ako na muna siya. Saka pa din siya mo. I can hear it. I can hear it. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. I cut it like it's a check. Pero tadlaw na siya dito naman ay.
Wait, kaya nga, diba? But like, wait, let's show them, ha? Sandali, ha? Ganitong ginawa ng sister ko. Ano to? Gumanon siya, oh. Anong tinatawag dito?
It's a Nike check.
Kaloka. Actually, pwede siya maging bangs. Ganon. We cut probably, I think, 7.
7 karmi ka naman?
Oh, we'll measure it. We'll measure it like from the ano.
Pero sa buhok mo di sa likod, tatlo.
Really?
It means di ko imo nga kwal. Ay, hindi ko.
Oh my god.
Yeah, no. It's not noticeable.
Manamor, at this point, you're just justifying yourself. Whatever. But I like how my ends, once again, looks fat. I love it. No, pwede ka na mag-parlor. Actually, si mommy, she was telling me, she's like, your ends look so uneven. And I didn't believe her until this happened. Kasi siguro kung hindi ko pala trim, ginapakibutang ko lang yung buhok ko, so na-trim ko at the sides. Feeling ko doon katadlong na, pero hindi ako mabutang sa likod. Oh my god, yes! Oh my god, yes! Fresh! Fresh yung ends ni tita nyo. Yes. Oh my god.
Tita Albacolad! Fresh ang ends!
Siya.
There you go!
Yes.
Fat, fresh ends.
And this is what I always say to the people of the world. I'm like, it's not just about having long hair. It's about having healthy long hair. How long is it?
Okay, so since your hair is not that even, 7 is like almost 7 because you have long and
Yeah, oh, so basically 7 plus siguro plus the small bits that you cut on the floor. As you guys can see, the ends look a lot healthier. Yeah, that's like the goal this year again, is to like grow it out, and hopefully next year I could grow it out even longer, but like longer in a way where it's healthy. Thank you, my lord.
You're welcome.
For this service. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all like this video, and I'm also looking forward to do the whole hair growth challenge once again, to grow back my hair. And I'll see you, or we will see you once again on my next video. Bye!